welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to talk about a hair care product that has helped my hair to stay healthy tremendously. So let's just dive right in. So today I will talk about the new Minimalist Malic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% Hair Serum. You guys know I have been using this, testing this out for quite some time now, and I have my thoughts and opinion. But before diving in, I do want to say that this video is in partnership with Minimalist. I'm super happy because I have been using this continuously and I won't feature a product on this channel that I don't genuinely love. And if you guys have been on this channel for quite some time, you guys have seen me use these products. So let's talk about it. So my hair, as you can see, is colored. I color my hair a lot. That's something that I honestly just can't stop doing. I have colored my hair like twice already, and it's a kind of a red shade of color. And I have bleached my hair. I use heat appliances on my hair all the time. So yeah, I do have a little bit of damage, on my hair. This Minimalist Malic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% hair serum is actually a pre-shampoo treatment that contains their patent pending complex consisting of malic acid. It also has trans glutaminase and amino acids which repair damaged hair and make them strong. This product also contains coconut oil. It has argan oil and squalene to hydrate and nourish the hair. As you can see, the consistency of this product is super runny and it's very easy to apply. How I like to apply this is I first comb my hair nicely, then I like to take few drops on my palms and apply it from root to tip. I like to concentrate a little more on the tip of my hair as it is way more damaged than the rest. After 1 hour, I just wash it off like usual with shampoo and conditioner. So it's super easy to apply and only is going to take a few minutes of your time. After using this, the first thing that I noticed right away is that my hair felt more soft and healthy just after one wash, okay? Like my hair was super soft and overall it was pretty healthy. And as I was continuously using this in my routine, I noticed that, I do have a lot of frizzy hair. So I noticed that that was really reduced. Like my frizziness was reduced up to a great extent. And I also noticed that I was having a little less hair fall because, the damage was repairing by its own. So if you have noticed that more damaged hair causes more hair fall. So that's what I noticed, that eventually my hair was just overall healthy. I also do like the fragrance of this. It's very subtle. It's not something super intense. But yes, they did add artificial fragrance in here to mask the unappealing scent of few ingredients. So yeah, this is something that they used artificial fragrance. I also do love the texture of this product and I love how shiny my hair looks after this. Like you can totally see that my hair has a very nice kind of a shine and it's super manageable at the same time and has less breakage as well. You can also see the scan electron microscopy analysis of before and after of how Malic Bond Repair Complex was able to repair the damaged bond in just one application. And after conducting the test, it was concluded that there was 22.9% increase in tensile strength of hair fiber after just one wash. And there is a 35.1% reduction in dry combing pores, which results to less breakage, and 49.4% reduction in wet combing pores. I also noticed that you guys recently have been asking me about my hair. It looks more healthy even in pictures. I saw a lot of you guys commenting this as well. I do have to say it has, especially because whenever you bleach, it takes away the moisture of your hair and especially the ends feel more dry and dehydrated. That's what I noticed. But after using this, I have seen that at least my hair doesn't feel dry and dehydrated anymore, and especially the ends, and it doesn't like tangle that much, which is causing a lot less hair fall. So overall, I will say I am super satisfied with the quality of this product. It's 10 on 10 and I would totally recommend this to people who wants to revive their damaged hair without burning a hole in their pocket, because it retails for only 4.99 rupees, and just look at the quantity of product that you get. It's a lot. So I would totally suggest you guys to go and check it out. And also have done 2 videos of this product already on the channel, so you can see how, like, I genuinely love this product a lot, and I already talked it about in my underrated hair care products and how I like to use this. So definitely this is my current favorite hair care product, and it is a staple in my hair care routine. I will leave the links in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and check this one out, and let me know if you guys have actually tried this, because a lot of you guys suggested that I try this, even before Minimalist reached out to me. A lot of you guys said that this is an amazing product, so let me know what are your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.